Hello, my friends. My name is Sandy, and this is my Secret Garden 8-page project. And you are going to be so amazed at how fast this all comes together. So the only things you need are adhesive, scissors, and your choice of journaling pens. I used like a sagey green color. That's it. Everything else is here. So you can go ahead and take all these guys right out of there. You've got these gems you're going to use. Set your sticker sheet aside and let's walk through. I really don't think you even need me to help you with this. That's how easy it is. So first two sets of pages, there's everything you need. You're going to start by lining up those blue pieces on top of the white pieces. They're the same size and you can kind of figure out how they're going to go together in the middle there. Then whatever your spacing is, when you attach this, this gets attached to, you decide, if you want to go with the purple or the blue. I went with the blue side of the flowers, but same spacing on the top and the bottom here. You're going to leave that same spacing before you put down this purple piece. Then the green goes next to that. Your blue goes next to that. Then the hexagon, like honeycomb piece goes over top. And a little bit sticks out the sides, but I mean, it's fine. It looks good like that. And then I just put that piece along the edge of both sides. Then you've got your photo mats, depending on how your photos go. Add your little stickers and your gems. So there's the first page. And you're just going to walk down your kit in the same fashion. So there's the blue ones. Then these are the next ones in your kit. So same thing here. You're going to add your white pieces to the floral piece. Put those purple strips down. So you've got your white. This is the bigger purple. This is the smaller purple. Then those pink ones are going to jut right in there, evenly spaced, top and bottom. Pinks go a smidgen away from the white edge with the blue lined up. I added some journaling lines around the edge. We've got beautiful, some stickers. I did put some gems in the middle of each of those little squares there, some random gems. And you'll notice on this side, I did take my journaling pen and I added a couple little dots here, some dots here, just for some extra bling. Now here, I did cut a few of those circles off before I added that. So that it's going to be about 10 inches long, that pink piece, before you tape it on. This one I attached to the white and then trimmed it off. So that's that one. The next set of pages. All right, so we're starting with, again, the floral base. I went with the yellow over the pink for this one. And um, so yellow strips along the edge, the green butts up to it. So bigger green, smaller green. This overlaps those two. So these scalloped pieces overlap those two, the striped and the green piece. Then we've got on this side, that's the blue piece with the pink over top of it, a strip, the yellow, and the yellow's evenly spaced top and bottom. Then 1.75 inches up, I put the blue piece going this way, added my photo mats, some stickers. On this side, once you get to that green, you've got, that green piece. Then this yellow overlaps both of those a little less on the green than on the floral, so a little more on the floral side. This I cut down so that you've, got even spacing on the top and the bottom. You're cutting two of those frames off. And I overlapped that so that you can see a little bit of the yellow on both the top and the bottom. It's in about a smidgen. Then this blue piece is going to go same 1.75, 2 inches, however high you went with it, up on there. I had your photo mats. I did pop this sticker. Um, you decide if you want to do that. And then again, I took that journaling pen and just did some fun little frilly frou-frou dots. went around the circle or the hearts with my gel pen. All right, so this one, we are going to, at the very top, you're going to take those yellow pieces and tear them if you like the torn look. And then the scallop piece goes just a little bit down so that you can see the top of the yellow, but mostly the yellow's underneath. Then 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom, you're going to add those pink strips. The green polka dot goes on top of that. And then this pink, these two pink pieces go down onto the green polka dot about an inch. And those butt right up. Add your photos and your stickers. I did some dots periodically, sporadically around, but that's it. Add your bling, have fun. It's really simple and easy. And if you got the stamps and the dies that go along with this paper, so right now, the bundle that has everything you could possibly ever want that goes along with this paper, it is half price. So it's like $54 for $108 worth of stuff. Definitely a wonderful deal going on right now if that's something that you are interested in. Thanks for watching. I'd love for you to comment and keep on crafting, my friends.